Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is MB Magpusaw, MMSI 211-239 or 680. Call sign Delta Alpha Mike Kilo. Position 62 degrees 11 decimal 8 minutes north, 007 degrees for 4 minutes east. I am sinking. I required immediate assistance. I have 4 people involved, including 2 casualties. We have launched 2 lifeboats. One lifeboat has 3 people on board, including the casualties. The other lifeboat has 1 person on board. Over. Pan 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 pan. All stations. This is 211-39680. Motor vessel Magpusaw. All sign Delta Alpha Mike Kilo. Position 62 degrees 11 decimal 8 minutes north, 007 degrees or 4 minutes east. I have problems with engine. I require tug assistance. Over. Security. All ships in area Peter Reef. This is 211-239-680. Motor vessel Magpusaw. Call sign Delta Alpha Mike Kilo. Dangerous wreck location in position 2 nautical mile south of Peter Reef. Over.